Beautiful, realistic portraits of little girls. Let's go, number 1. Thank you for showing us that. I admire those drawings. They are admirable. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Let me know what you think in the comments. I think they're ugly. Yeah, sure. Fine. Unsubscribe. This one took a lot of work, by the way. Look at the hair. Oh. You got this one. Being all silly. La vache, these are very beautiful drawings. Good for you. This girl. The meditating Asian girl. This one playing the guitar. Young talent. This one took a lot of work too. Look at the shadows here. Yeah. Yes, you are very good at it. Keep going this way, s'il vous plaît. And this one, look at her shirt. And then look at the hair. Do you think this one took a long time? Yeah. This one, here we go. Pretty cool. This one. And this one, the lamp. Hey, you know what? I'm getting better. Here is a picture of a little girl. I put a lot of time into it. I'm sorry, but I do not like it, Vincent. Thank you, I know I am good. I don't have to practice much. My parents sent me to art school, but I don't think I need it. I am already pretty good at drawing. Are you absolutely insane? How can you think that this is good enough? Hey, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more.